Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to talk about Dr. Sandra Lee. Before we get started, we want to declare that Dr. Sandra Lee is the undisputed queen of popping. She's the most well-liked dermatologist on YouTube. It seems like anytime we mention her in a video, people seem to leave nasty comments. She's a great doctor and we wish her the best. Today we're going to talk about the time her fans absolutely turned on her. Over the course of her YouTube history, she has had a few videos that got more dislikes than likes. Most of them were immediately deleted by her production team. One called Crab, Corn, and Logan Paul has been up for a couple weeks, and it's been getting a lot of dislikes. At the time of this video, over 14,000, and that's twice as many dislikes as likes. We'll show you a few screen captures of the video. To protect her copyright, we'll put a link to the full video below. Some former Sandra Lee fans called the video a publicity stunt and they weren't happy with it. Some didn't like the way she presented herself, and a lot of fans just don't like YouTube star Logan Paul. He is, after all, one of the most controversial YouTubers on the planet.
I've never been hated by the whole world, and it's been something to definitely overcome. I will think twice in the future about what I post, probably 3 times.
One fan asks, "Wow, this PR stunt is bad. Everyone hates him. Why did you do this?" Let's scroll through the comments and see what others have to say. And leave your comments below. Were people too harsh on Dr. Sandra Lee in this video? Honestly, it's very hard to be in the public eye and not upset a few people. Leave your comments and opinions below. Show her some support and love, or give your own critical analysis. Thanks again for watching. We'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper tools in the description too. Maybe you can start popping like Dr. Sandra Lee. See you next time. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.
Hi, my name is Jory, and I'm here to give a testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.